Today we are in beautiful, sunny Palmerston North at the BP. I think this is our Puni BP, I'm not sure. Anyhow, we have car wash time. Now, interestingly enough, most of the BP car washes that I've filmed have been at BP Connect locations. They tend to be the ones that have car washes. The BP Connects are the main sort of corporate run BPs that all sort of follow the same specification. This, however, this is a BP to go location, which means it's one of the sort of more franchise locally run sites. And something that you sometimes find at these BP to go locations that you don't get at the Connect sites is one of these. Looks like the typical sort of WashTec that BP would normally have. However, this one is a Combiwash. Full Combiwash. I've bought a $25 gold wash, as they call it. There's one car in there already and another car waiting, so we've got a bit of a wait, but I think this is going to be good. So let's get in there. Okay, so the car in front of me's just gone in. Interestingly, they're going straight into Foamtastic rather than the pre-soak that the last car did. So I'm thinking that they might have gone for a slightly lower package. Advantage of which meaning this won't take so long. It is the only downside. Yeah, look at that high pressure. I better pull my window up before it comes in the car. Oh, maybe not. They've got some high pressure going on there. Anyway, yes. So that's the one downside to buying the top wash, is that it does take a while. Now, anyhow, this car wash I think went in around 2018 or 19. Roughly speaking. Yeah, they've definitely gone for a different wash package compared to the last person. I believe they originally had an old 5-brush Ryco here. I think either a Ultra Clean or Premier XL. Not sure which. And then from that, they got a second-hand CK30. And then they replaced that with this machine, brand new. Normal PSD code box there. In fact, I better get my ticket out ready so that I've got the code. Yep. Gold wash, $25. BP to go Pioneer. That's what this site's called, BP Pioneer. That's it. God, it is very, very warm in here, but I don't really want to sit here with the windows open with the high pressure car wash going in front of me. But anyhow, now this will also be good because there's not really anywhere at home that I can experience this anymore. Because here's something that you might not know, is that Combiwashes are not... I think the last couple of years or so, we've kind of stopped seeing Combiwashes getting installed. And quite interestingly, I found out recently that Z have actually been disabling the Combiwash features on their Combiwash WashTecs they've got, including Johnsonville. Apparently some of their machines are not properly configured for the high pressure washing on a Combiwash. Those are more, the high pressure cycle on the Combiwash is more designed for the European market, where they have a lot more grit on the roads and and having to deal with snow and ice and stuff. It's not really designed for our market. This machine though actually has touchless wash packages available, so I guess it's a bit better configured for having high pressure. Because something that you might not know is that whether you're doing touch-free washing or brush washing, that can actually determine which types of chemicals and detergents, etc., are best suited. It is dependent on what kind of wash you're doing. So yeah, so you can't get a Combiwash WashTec anywhere in Wellington now, so this is kind of the only place within reasonable distance I can come and experience it. And I've never done one with BP like this before. So anyway, let's quit rambling and we'll skip ahead to when it's my go. Okay, so the car in front of me is now exiting. Let's get in position. Can I reach the fucking code box is the question. I think I might just be able to. 528288. No, I can't. I'm going to have to open the door. As always. 528288. Okay, windows up. I'll take the handbrake off. That'd be helpful. Program 1 ready. In we go. Nicely does it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Come on, forwards. Forwards, dickhead, come on. Looking at the sign, forwards, and... No, still keep coming. Stop. There we go. Let's turn the engine off as well. Okay. We are ready to go. No wash bay doors or anything here, as you will have probably noticed. So first of all, we appear to be getting a pre-soak, which is not something I've had on a WashTec before. I think might have had something similar on the MX22 Combiwash at Caltex Paraparaumu, but that was a good couple of years ago I went through that, so I can't quite remember exactly what that program was like. Yeah, it does take a moment before it starts coming up. There we go. So there's some pre-soak coming out the sides, and there's some coming out the front as well. As you can see, we've got a dark grey frame with a silver light design on it, looking very, very nice. Now, the only thing I will say, having just watched the car that was in front of me go through, is I have a feeling that this machine might have actually run out of one of the chemicals that they use for the second foam up after the first brush pass, because I noticed that it came to the back. Oh, that actually made contact for a second there. But the machine, yeah, you see, that's what those three rings are beneath the dryer bar there. They're actually the induction loops that detect your vehicle, that enables it to do the contouring, and you may have actually heard a slight bang there as it actually made contact, but it did what it's supposed to do, recognised that it had made contact and immediately lifted the bar up a smidgen. So very well done there to the machine, I guess. My hand's a little shaky, that's because I'm holding it in my left hand and I'm right-handed. Up it comes. Oh, getting a spray of something off the sides here. Okay, now should be time for Foamtastic. In fact, I'm going to be a wee bit naughty here, and I'm going to run the wiper so that just for that, just so that we can see this in full. Here comes Foamtastic. Excellent. Oh, look at that. Nice good covering of Foamtastic there as well. Woohoo! That's actually a really good coverage. Look at that, completely covered it. That might just be the best covering of Foamtastic I've ever seen. Only thing now is I've no clue what it's doing. Where is the machine? Where the fuck is the machine? Oh! High pressure. So we're starting at the back on high pressure. Is it the side blaster? Oh, it's the side blaster. And this should be the top. Fantastic. I have to say, this machine is working incredibly well. Look at that. There's another car waiting. Do you know, I thought mid-morning on a Monday this car wash wouldn't be that busy, but it turns out it actually is. I have to admit, because I have seen that on some of these Combiwashes that the nozzles can get a bit clogged up after a few years. But the nozzles, all of the high pressure nozzles are working flawlessly, so whoever's doing the maintenance on this machine is doing a very, very good job of it. Okay, now what's next? Brushes! Starting the brush cycle from the back. I have to admit that the inside of my windows are steaming up a bit. I'm going to have to put the air conditioning on. Might just run it on high for a minute just to clear everything. Just running my demister. Let's turn it down a bit. I'll just keep the demister running. Okay, sounds like it might be doing the wheels at the moment. It's nice to see that even though this is an independent BP site, it's nice to see that we've still got the standard two-tone green brushes. I think there are maybe one or two independent BP car washes that don't have two-tone green, but they usually do still have two-tone green, even if they are a to-go site, which is good. They do still tend to have WashTec. Coming back. Turn that demister up again. Can't really see what's going on at the back. My rear window's all steamed up. It is, I have to admit, it's a little bit humid today. I'm not sure what it's doing now. Yeah, this is what I said before, that I think the second chemical that it's supposed to be applying now, I think has run out. Because it's not actually spraying anything. And And here comes the brushes once again. Yeah, at that point on that empty pass, it's supposed to be spraying on another chemical, but nothing's coming out. And it was the same on the car in front of me, so it's possible that that particular chemical has run out and it needs to be refilled. So that's the only downside to this otherwise flawless machine. But, you know, that's not the machine's fault, you know. All car washes have chemicals that need to be topped up. So okay, the machine's coming back. I'm guessing it's going to give us a bit of a rinse, maybe. Yeah, I can hear it. Just sounds like rain. And now we should be going into the drying to finish off. Bit of smudging here, but that's on the inside. That's just where I need to run my demisters a bit. And here we go. A bit of water spray there. That's interesting, there's a bit of water spray coming off of that for a second as well. Very effective drying. Side dryer as well. Let's just turn that demister back up. Try and clear some of this condensation off the windscreen before I have to dry it out. Well, I need to stop and put the door mirrors back out though anyway. Just a pity that the back window's so fogged up so I can't really see what's going on back there, but nothing I can really do about that. We're just going to have to live with it. I had always planned on filming this car wash eventually, but the last time I came up to Palmerston North, obviously I did the, I've forgotten the name of it. I did the touchless car wash at the Swiss car wash. The name of the machine escapes me for whatever reason. I better put my sunglasses back on. Yeah. Right. It was always my intention that I would do this one on my next visit, and here we are. Okay, that's enough demister action for now. And there we go. We are all done. Camera back on the dash. Let's get the engine on. We won't drive out, so the machine tells me to. Oh, there we go. Excellent. That was fun. Whoa. Bit of a bump there. That was fun, wasn't it? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, because I thoroughly enjoyed that. That was really great fun. I'm going to put my door mirrors back to how they should be, and then we're out of here. So thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you guys next time.